Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
One thing your mother does before sleeping.
One thing.
मैंने कहा ना Gen Z यहाँ पर मैं हूँ.
My mother's favorite song.
How can you
She
forget
likes
this?
Zehenasi.
Oh yes.
Today with India Forums, we have lovely mother-daughter pair, Ruhanika Dhawan and her mom Dolly Dhawan, ready to test their bond with a delightful Mother's Day edition of How Well Do You Know Your Mom? Get ready for some fun and heartwarming moments.
One word your mother says the most.
I know the word she says the most when she's driving. Idiot. She points out the idiot.
Is that true?
That's very true.
Okay. Most annoying habit of your mother.
Most annoying habit of my mom. She leaves me on herd. That's how I can frame it as. So if she's on her phone and if I'm saying, Mama, you know we have to go here today, she will not respond. She'll respond only after I say it thrice or 4 times, and then I'm like, Mama. So she leaves me on herd.
So
She's
actually,
heard it, but she's not
तो
replying.
देखा तो Gen Z यहाँ पर हम दोनों में से मैं हूँ.
Yeah.
So Gen Z's मैं actually Gen Z's को बोलती हूँ Gen Z's as they're fools. So I'm one of them.
Your name saved in your mother's phone.
Ruhanika.
Ruhanika with
With a
what?
heart. With a heart.
With a
I
heart.
put that heart in. I put it in when she got that phone. I put it in.
No, you shouldn't be asking this. आपको ये पूछना चाहिए कि what all I call Ruhanika.
हाँ.
What? Ruhan. That's
हाँ, कितना झूठ बोल रही है ये. रोहान, बेटू,
Babu,
गुड्डू,
Guddu.
बब्बू.
But mainly Ruhan.
Yeah.
Mainly Ruhan. Like,
Yeah.
if she calls me Ruhanika, then.
Yeah, I was about to say that. मैं ये कहने वाली थी. अगर मैं
I'm in
रुहानिका बोला इसको
trouble.
पता है
I'm in-
ये trouble में.
I'm in
अब मम्मा
trouble.
गुस्सा है.
I'm in trouble. Ruhanika, I'm in trouble.
Name a country your mother would love to visit.
Oh.
Ooh, a country
You know
she's
this.
been dying to visit. I think she's been wanting to do Europe for the longest time.
Yeah, but which place in Europe?
Which place in Europe? Paris.
No.
Then
Paris is too high. I always
I want
wanted
to go
to.
to the south. You know those villages in France.
वो पूछा गया है कि मुझे कौन सी जगह
हाँ.
जाना है.
Okay.
हाँ.
Say.
नहीं आता है इसको.
Then
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
See.
That my nanny has been wanting to go to.
Yeah, both of us. Me, my mother, and Ruhanika.
Your mother's hidden talent.
My mom's
Oh.
hidden talent. She can touch her tongue to her nose. Even I can do that.
No, we're not doing
We're
that.
not
You remember what happened, right? With the Star Kids, when they did that, they said this is the talent that they have. Let's not do that.
Another hidden talent. Okay.
Which is not hidden from you.
It's
You
not-
always tell me. Which is not hidden from you. Without caring.
I feel like she would. No, that's not a hidden talent. It's a skill. She can clean things very well.
That's a hidden talent.
That's
ये
a hidden
talent है,
talent.
hidden talent है.
I don't know.
No,
Let's
मैं
touch it
बताती हूँ
into
ये
your
बता
nose.
नहीं वो तो हो गया. So रोहानिका कथक करती है and she does मतलब बहुत सारे भाव होते हैं, you know, facial expressions और वो सारा कुछ. तो वो कई बार she comes up to me and she tells me you do this better.
Yes, definitely. When
And
it comes to
in fact
expression, she's much better.
बहुत सारे songs हैं, music videos हैं जहाँ रोहानिका उनको observe करती है and वो हमेशा मेरे पास आके कहती है if you would have done this you would have
You
killed
have
it.
killed it. Actually, I agree. That's not a hidden talent, but,
Yeah, but
I won't really call
But
it.
everybody
that's a
else does
skill.
not know. You
Yeah.
know that, right? So hidden from the world,
Okay,
probably.
got it.
Okay, who's on speed dial in your mother's phone?
Who's on speed dial? Me, Papa, Nani, Rashid Bhai.
Rashid Bhai.
Okay, your mother's
Rashid Bhai is our driver, but
He's like my
he's
friend.
our one-man Friday, and he's a great help.
your mother's go-to dance move.
My mother's go-to dance move. Tumka. What else?
Is that true? सही है वो?
That's true, absolutely.
One thing your mother does to get de-stressed.
One thing my mother does to get de-stressed, she likes to kick me and Lassi out of the room.
Yeah, I do that. सिर्फ बाहर जाओ यहाँ से, दबाओ यहाँ से.
One thing your mother does before sleeping.
One thing.
मैंने कहा ना Gen Z यहाँ पर मैं हूँ.
Your mother's favorite song.
My mother's favorite song.
How can you
She
forget
likes
this?
Zehenasi
Oh yes.
a lot.
See, she got
And
it
I
right.
love that movie, Hasi To Fasi. I love it. I think I was in awe of Parineeti Chopra's.
Yeah, she was great there.
She was great.
She was great there.
One thing your mom does but will never admit.
One thing my mom does. Binge eats.
I don't binge eat. That's not true.
Eats chocolate at night.
Yeah, that I
That.
do. That I do.
Will she admit it?
She
No,
admits
matlab
Sometimes she admits it, sometimes she doesn't. Sometimes she says, oh, it got over, the ice cream got over, but then it's kept in the freezer. So that
Same.
I don't get to know.
Your mother's shoe size.
My mother's shoe size, 36?
No.
No, that's mine.
No, that's
No,
not
that's
yours
not
either.
Uh,
She has a bigger
UK
foot than
folk.
mine.
Yeah, I do.
No.
But-
She has a bigger foot than mine.
Yes, a UK folk.
No,
Then?
that's not correct.
No,
I'm a size 37.
I was close, man.
Yeah. I'm 37. She's 37 and a half.
Yes. I have
Yes.
big feet.
Big feet.
I think it's time to gift mom कुछ shoes.
Yeah.
तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. A dish you cook and your mom likes.
I made मैंने पहली बार ट्राई किए थे ये cinnamon rolls बनाना तो I think मम्मा को वो बहुत अच्छे
लगे यार एंड इतने परफेक्टली
And
बने
इतने
ना मतलब
perfectly बने
मुझे
ना।
सच में ऐसे लगा था ये कहीं बाहर से ले आई है और मुझे झूठ बोल रही है बट इसने बनाए माय गॉड इट वाज सो गुड और इतने सारे बनाए इसने सबको बांटे यहाँ पर
सबको बांटे
सबको
डंजो भी किए
हाँ मतलब सबको ही अच्छे लगे सो दे एक्चुअली केम आउट पता नहीं बाय फ्लूक थे या
नहीं।
क्या था पर बहुत अच्छे थे
Lastly, your mother's favorite food.
my mother's favorite food can I say dessert
Yeah, anything.
Mama loves Baskin Robbins Dutch chocolate ice cream I love it too
Okay, so we'll wrap up this interview. But एक सवाल है जानना चाहेंगे एक दूसरे को एक शब्द में डिस्क्राइब करो.
describe then I'll
First
describe
you
it.
say?
No, first you say.
First you say?
Why me? You say.
Okay. Bubbly.
Oh, I love it. Bubbly. And I call her the organizer.
No. That's so. I'm
No,
fun,
I
man.
think yeah, she's fun. She's
I
hilarious.
am
But
fun
one
and I
word
make
में
great jokes.
fun मतलब एक word में तो मेरी जान बस.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank
guys, for this
you.
lovely
Thank you for
interaction.
watching us. Thank you.
And that is a wrap for our special Mother's Day segment of How Well Do You Know Your Mom? It's been wonderful witnessing the love and connection between Ruhanika and Dolly. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to India Forums.